Okay, for our last activity on page 57, there's a massive amount of writing going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of show you how to write the number as a multiple of power of 10. And then I am just going to upload an answer key inside our Google document for problems number 1, 2, and 3. There's too much writing for me to do, and you guys don't need to sit here and watch me write out every single thing. So first thing I want you to do, take a look. Problem number 1, the radius of an electron is 0 points, a whole lot of zeros, and 3. Write this number as a multiple power of 10. Okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and take a chance at what you think the multiple power of 10 is going to be. So the first thing you need to think about for problem number 1 is obviously we're going to be doing some type of times 10, and it should dawn on you that since this is less than since it's less than 1, that we are going to have some type of a negative exponent. Okay? Now, I want you guys to kind of take a look here, a little trick. Now, some of you have kind of picked up on your powers of 10 here and noticed that it kind of has to do with the zeros. That is true. Okay? In this case, this whole ridiculously long, ugly number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's got 13 zeros on it, okay? So our that's 1 over 3, 4, 5. You know what? Forget it. I'm not even going to do it. That's a lot of zeros. You guys can figure that out, okay? And then, what is it multiplied by in order to get that? Well, it's simply going to be just 3, okay? So this one is going to be 3 times 10 to the negative 13th. Since we need to graph something to the negative 13th, our number line needs to end at the negative 12th, because then as it gets bigger, it's going from negative 13 to negative 12. So go ahead and pause, fill out the rest of the number line, and then go ahead and plot your point, and then check on your answer document. And for problem number 2, this is going to be the last one that I'm going to do for the day, because you guys can do the next one completely on your own. Problem number 2, we're going to have kind of the exact same thing going here. I want you to go ahead and attempt to figure out what this ugly thing is. So we're going to have, once again, times 10 to a negative number, negative exponent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so we're going to make this exponent to negative 24. Now, some of you are going to kind of right off the bat think of what we did here. Oh my God, it's a 3. It's just simply going to be 3. No, it's not. Okay? It's not actually going to be 3, because you have to kind of somehow get this decimal here in the middle. Okay? So, it's actually going to be 1.7 times 10 to the 24th. Okay? And at any point in time, if you guys kind of get confused with all this stuff, there'll be some extra practice on Khan Academy. You guys can go through our bookmark that you had, that we already made for our curriculum. And you can do some extra practice with the whole changing things to a exponent. So since our exponent has to go to negative 24th, it means our end is going to be at negative 23. And then once again, you guys can fill in and check your answers online. And then with the last one, same exact thing. all straightforward, all straight to the point. Okay? When you guys are all done, check your stuff, check it online, and then if you don't feel like doing any of the extra practice videos, then you can go ahead and just start your homework.